Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AMERISUN 3800 PSI Max Power Washer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Make tough jobs easy, up to 3800 PSI max. From oily driveways to green moss on bricks, this washer delivers 3800 PSI of peak cleaning force. Wide cleaning coverage with 2.0 GPM flow. 2.0 gallons per minute helps cover more area quickly, ideal for patios, RVs, or long fences. Foam system for touchless vehicle cleaning. Add detergent into the built-in tank and switch to the soap tip for thick foam in seconds. Ready for any surface. 5 nozzles included. 0 degrees for stubborn grime, 40 degrees for delicate surfaces, and soap mode for deep cleaning. Always the right tool. Portable design with large wheels and handle. Built with 8-inch wheels and a grab handle, this unit rolls effortlessly and stores compactly. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.